I want to talk to you about Credit Strong. And when you think about Credit Strong, you think about all kinds of possibilities, not just personal credit, but also business credit. So let's really clarify those things in this conversation. So let me first explain to you what Credit Strong really is and what it's not, okay? So if you think about Credit Strong, I want you to think primarily about a credit building program. So it is actually a credit building program that does a lot of things, okay? For instance, it helps individuals improve their credit scores and establish a positive credit history. So this is kind of cool. So you have a platform that actually helps individuals, but also businesses. But I want to first talk about the individuals. So individuals can gradually increase their credit score through consistent and responsible use of the Credit Strong account. Okay, and as they continue demonstrating good financial habits, such as, let's say, making on time payments and maintaining low balances, lenders will view them as less risky borrowers. So that's kind of cool because you are able to increase your FICO score gradually. So you can expect like 100 points within 3 months. Additionally, Credit Strong provides educational resources and tools to help users understand credit and also make informed financial decisions. So this is an important element to think about. So also, what happens here is that Credit Strong also provides a business side of things. So you're able to actually have some kind of a business credit building program on the side. I'll be speaking about that. But one thing I want to say here is that Credit Strong is really good for individuals who are really serious about boosting their FICO score. And Credit Strong also launched in 2019 as a combination of a credit building and an installment loan account that includes an FDIC insured savings account. I'll talk about that. So that account is actually a division of Austin Capital Bank, and so member FDIC, and the bank is based in Austin, Texas. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is that Credit Strong is trying to diversify its products, its offer. So that's really good. So how does the Credit Strong Credit Builder loan work? Let's have a quick conversation about that. So Credit Strong is a credit building program that aims to help you improve your credit scores. Okay, it offers credit builder loans and a revolving line of credit as tools to establish a positive credit history. Just remember though, your payment history accounts for what? 35%. Can you imagine? 35% of your FICO score. So that's like more than one half, or more than one third. So with Credit Strong, monthly loan payments are made towards credit builder loans, which are then deposited into a savings account that remains inaccessible until the loan is fully repaid. The loan funds are deposited in a secure account to facilitate the loan process, helping to build credit while being locked and earning minimal interest, like 0.5 to 1%. So the funds from a credit builder loan are typically locked in a savings account during the loan term and will return to you upon completion of the loan. So that's really good. Now, Credit Strong accounts typically appear on your credit report 30 to 60 days after your first payment, and your first FICO score, your first FICO score 8, will be available within 2 weeks of opening your Credit Strong account. So this is really good. So let me first talk to you about the revolve products. So Credit Strong's revolve product is designed to actually help lower credit utilization and improve overall credit health. So if you know, credit utilization refers to the amount of credit you as a person uses compared to the total available credit. So with Revolve, you can access a revolving line of credit secured by your savings, and this product allows you to demonstrate responsible credit management and lower your credit utilization ratio. So all you have to do is actually open a Credit Strong Revolve account for $99 a year. Credit Strong reports a $1,000 bank issued line of credit with a $0 balance. You make optional savings payments to increase the line of credit to $3,000. That's kind of cool. And also, payments are 2 to 9% of the credit limit, And optional savings payments also help build a positive payment history, and you retain 100% of the savings payments. So this is kind of cool. And you have to understand credit utilization comprises actually a 30% of FICO score. And so you want to keep your credit utilization between 30 and 35%. Let's talk about another Credit Strong product, then that's the install product. So Credit Strong's install product is actually a financial solution designed to help you build credit and improve your credit score. So what happens here is that with this product, you can make installment payments on a loan, which are then reported to the three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And payments are reported to each credit bureau, and timely payments can positively impact your credit report and credit score. So that's really good. Now, there are 3 install plans available, and every plan has one-time $15 fee and a 15.61% APR. So the thing is that when I say 3 install plans, you have the 48-month plan, you have a 36-month plan, and you also have the 24-month plan. So if you think about the 48-month plan, you need to pay about $28 a month. You can save up to $1,010 in 48 months. And basically, the $1,010, the amount is that's the installment account reported. You're able to build 48 months of credit history, and you keep $1,010 at the end of the term. This is my preferred recommendation if you're serious about improving your credit score. Go with a 48-month plan. If you can't do the 48-month, you can try to do the 36. So here is a 36-month plan. You pay $38 a month. You save up to $1,100 in 36 months. So $1,100 installment account is reported. You built 36 months of credit history, and you keep $1,100 at the end of the month, at the end of the term. What about 24-month plan? Well, here you have to pay $48 per month. Save up to $1,000 in 24 months. $1,000 installment account is reported. You build 24 months of credit history, and actually you keep $1,000 at the end of the term. Okay, so what happens here is that you just have to be consistent. So by consistently making these payments on time, you can demonstrate your credit worthiness and establish a positive credit history. And this can be really good. It can be particularly beneficial for you if you have limited or no credit history, because it allows you, really, if you think about it, to start building credit big time. Let me talk to you about the CS Max. I'm still going through the Credit Strong product, okay? Now, the CS Max is actually pretty interesting. This is a credit builder loan program, okay? It's kind of similar to Install, but it has much more significant amounts, okay? Because the thing is that Credit Strong markets the products for consumers with the cash, but without the credit. In other words, you have money, but you do not have a good credit, okay? So the loan funds are deposited in a secure account to facilitate the loan process, but they are locked and earn minimal interest. Now, there are 4 CX Max options, but they only differ in the amounts. All 4 are 60-month terms with a $25 administrative fee and a 6.99% APR. So the plans are $49 per month. So here, if you go with the $49 per month, this product will report at a $2,500 installment account. So CS Credit Strong will report to the credit bureaus that you have a $2,500 installment account. If you are paying $99 per month, this will report a $5,000 installment account, okay? If you are paying $199 per month, here they will report a $10,000 installment account. That's really important, and that's really good too. That's really, really good. And finally, you have if you are able to pay a $449 per month, then they will report a $25,000 installment account. So you have to understand that CS Max is actually, those are loans, right? CS Max loans. You saw the amounts. They're not the right fit for everyone, because who can afford how many folks can afford paying $449 a month? Okay, so you'll need substantial cash flow to sustain the higher monthly payments. Okay, so these loans might work for you if you are planning to apply for a larger personal loan down the line. If you're looking to get approved for credit cards with a high credit limits, if you're focused on improving your overall credit profile instead of just trying to boost your score, right? And if you're a small business owner without an EIN, looking to use personal credit to secure business financing. So this is sort of those are the the areas where you can actually learn. However, just remember that these loans will significantly increase your debt to income ratio. Therefore, they're not a good fit if you plan to apply for a mortgage, for instance. In addition, CS Max loans will not work for you if you are, let's say, on a tight budget or want to build your savings as you repair credit. So what about the free kick here? So if you think about free kick, think about a credit builder account designed specifically for teens. Actually, this is kind of cool. If you want your teen to actually start on a positive note when it comes to credit building, think about the free kick. Okay, this program helps young individuals start their credit building journey early with an average first FICO score of 721 points. This is really good. So this product is a great way for teens to learn about credit management and establish a strong credit foundation. You also have Magnum by Credit Strong. This is another product that you might be interested in. So the Magnum product is actually a specialized credit building solution designed for individuals or businesses. I want to insist on that, or businesses aiming to build significant installment credit. So here is how Magnum works. Now, one thing I want to say first is that Magnum works in the long run. So you're not going to see results right away. You might see results maybe after 3 to 5 years. So this is something to really think about. Okay. So here's how it works. So you have a high credit reporting amounts. So the program offers credit builder loans that report substantial installment accounts to the credit bureaus, ranging from $5,000 to $10,000 or more. And it's also tailored for business owners. So it's really ideal for those who need to build personal credit to secure larger loans or high limit credit cards for business purposes. If you're looking for flexible terms, so the Magnum program provides extended repayment terms, enabling you to build a strong credit history over time. And also you are able to build credit history and savings. So what happens here is that payments are deposited into a secure savings account, accessible after the loan term is complete. Okay, so the Magnum product is particularly beneficial for small business owners who rely on personal credit for business financing, offering a unique opportunity to strengthen creditworthiness while saving. So this is something to really think about from a flexibility point of view. Now, can Credit Strong help build business credit? Because this is a question that a lot of people ask, okay? Now, Credit Strong also offers the ability to build business credit, okay? And you can do so using a Credit Strong business account. So this is kind of cool. Now, this entails what? It entails signing up with your employer identification number, your EIN, and obtaining a credit builder installment loan. That way, you are able to build business credit. And Credit Strong reports this account to Equifax, PayNet, and SBFE. They don't report those accounts yet to Dun & Bradstreet, okay? So, and they don't do us also for Experian. They're thinking about doing it in the future, but right now they're not doing it, okay? Now, there are several plans available, each with a 25-month term. So you have option. I'm going to put this on the screen because it's important so you have a clear idea. So you have option 1, option 2, option 3, and option 4. Let me explain. So option 1, as you can see on the screen, I want to put this on the screen so it's clear to everyone. So basically, option 1, you have $2,500 installment loan. So I don't have to say anything, but you can see it. This is for option 1. So you can see the total cost is actually $349 for a $2,500 installment loan. Then you have option two. That's for a $5,000 installment loan, and the total cost actually is 549. Okay, and so this is important. Option three, $10,000 installment loan. The total cost is $749, and with interest, you have to pay $12.99 per month. And finally, you have option four, which is actually a $25,000 installment loan, and total cost is $749, but with interest, you're looking at $3,000. Okay, so you have to understand that somehow you need to, like, improving personal credit can significantly impact small business loan applications because lenders consider personal credit history and score when evaluating eligibility for a loan. So a solid personal credit profile demonstrates financial responsibility and increases the chances of securing favorable loan terms. Okay, so good personal credit also opens up opportunities with suppliers based on, let's say, a strong financial track record. So that's kind of important. So what are the qualifications for credit strong? Well, basically, they do not have they don't have strict requirements really. Okay, so these loans do not require a good credit score and allow individuals to establish or rebuild their credit history. Okay, and Credit Strong claims the application process should take less than 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Think about it. That's really good. So to apply, you need to open a Credit Strong account. You want to choose your plan. You need to make monthly payments to build credits and savings, and you want to unlock savings when the account is paid off or closed. Okay. And in terms of the advantages and disadvantages of Credit Strong, honestly, you do have, for advantages, you have a wide range of benefits to help individuals improve their overall financial health and credit score. You have the Credit Builder Loan Program. Okay. You also have a revolving line of credit to improve credit utilization. So if you have limited history or no credit history, you can start building good credit by making regular payments and keeping balances low. And the company also offers business credit builder loans for strengthening commercial profiles. This is kind of cool. Disadvantage, well, it's costly, right? It's costly. You have late fees, you have administrative fees, and so on and so forth. So something to really keep in mind. And what are the pros and cons here? If you think about the Credit Strong, the pros, it helps you build credit history and improve credit score, offers a variety of credit building products and services, provides educational resources on credit management, and allows also for automatic payments and account monitoring. On the flip side, it requires a monthly fee for the credit building program. You have limited options for credit building products. It may not be suitable for you if you have existing credit issues or high debt and not available in all states or regions. So something to really think about. So overall, if you think about Credit Strong, you just need to understand that this is a legit platform. It has been around for many years now, okay? And it is worth it if you are trying to improve your credit score real fast, okay? And so one thing I want to say here is that basically you need to understand that if you want to improve your credit score, you need to see the correlation between your personal credit score, but also your business credit score. So if you want to increase those two, why not? Now, if Credit Strong doesn't really doesn't approve you, you have the possibility to just go to using secure credit cards. You can build credit that way too, or you can try debt consolidation loans, okay, or you can try regular loans. So you do have possibilities. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about Credit Strong. This was a review of the tool. I told you what it is, what kind of products it has, how it can help you build personal credit and business credit, and the pros and cons. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.